Welcome back to the Car Future, where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the automotive world, and today we're taking a deep dive into the all-new 2026 Cadillac CT5, a luxury sedan that continues to redefine what it means to drive in comfort, style, and performance. If you're someone who still appreciates the elegance of a traditional sedan but wants modern technology and strong performance, then this car might just be what you've been waiting for. So sit back, relax, and let's explore everything the 2026 Cadillac CT5 has to offer. Right from the first glance, the 2026 CT5 makes a bold statement. Cadillac has refined its design language, giving this sedan a sharper, more aggressive look while still maintaining that signature luxury feel. The front end features a redesigned grille that looks wider and more confident, paired with sleek LED headlights that stretch vertically, creating a futuristic and unmistakable presence on the road. The sculpted hood and clean body lines give the car a sense of motion even when it's standing still. And as you move along the side, you'll notice how well-proportioned the silhouette is, blending sportiness with executive elegance. Around the rear, Cadillac has added updated taillights and a more refined bumper design, giving the CT5 a polished and modern finish. New alloy wheel designs and fresh color options allow buyers to personalize the car to match their style, making it feel even more exclusive. Step inside, and the 2026 Cadillac CT5 immediately surrounds you with a sense of modern luxury. The interior has been significantly upgraded with a focus on both comfort and technology. The highlight is the new curved display that stretches across the dashboard, combining the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless unit. The graphics are crisp, the animations are smooth, and the system responds quickly to touch inputs. It also supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easy to connect your smartphone without dealing with cables. Cadillac has also improved the voice control system, allowing you to adjust settings, control navigation, or change music just by speaking naturally. The materials inside the cabin feel premium in every sense. Soft touch surfaces, high-quality leather, and elegant trim options such as wood or brushed aluminum give the CT5 a truly upscale atmosphere. The seats are designed for long-distance comfort, offering excellent support and cushioning, and higher trims even include heating, ventilation, and massage functions. Rear passengers are not left out either, with improved legroom and a more comfortable seating position that makes long journeys more enjoyable. Ambient lighting adds a touch of sophistication, especially during night drives, creating a relaxing and luxurious environment. Now let's talk about performance, because the 2026 CT5 is not just about comfort, it's also built to deliver an engaging driving experience. Under the hood, Cadillac offers multiple engine options to suit different driving styles. The base model comes with a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that delivers a good balance of power and efficiency, making it perfect for daily commuting. For those who want more excitement, there's an available twin-turbo V6 engine that significantly boosts performance, offering quicker acceleration and a more thrilling drive. And if you're a true performance enthusiast, the CT5V and the high-performance CT5V Blackwing take things to another level, delivering incredible power and track-ready capabilities while still maintaining everyday usability. The ride quality has been carefully tuned to offer both comfort and control. The suspension absorbs bumps and rough roads with ease, while still keeping the car stable and composed during cornering. Steering is precise and responsive, giving you confidence behind the wheel, whether you're driving through city streets or cruising on the highway. An available all-wheel drive system adds extra grip and stability, especially in challenging weather conditions, making the CT5 a reliable companion all year round. Technology plays a major role in the 2026 CT5, and Cadillac has packed this sedan with some of the latest innovations. One of the standout features is the updated Super Cruise system, which allows for hands-free driving on compatible highways. This system has been improved for 2026 with better lane-changing capabilities and enhanced safety monitoring, making long drives more relaxing and less tiring. The car also comes equipped with a wide range of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system that provides a clear view of your surroundings when parking or maneuvering in tight spaces. Another important aspect of the 2026 CT5 is its focus on refinement and quietness. Cadillac has worked on improving cabin insulation, reducing road noise and wind noise to create a more peaceful driving experience. This makes a huge difference, especially on long journeys where a quiet cabin can significantly enhance comfort. The sound system has also been upgraded, delivering rich and immersive audio quality that music lovers will truly appreciate. Fuel efficiency has been slightly improved as well, thanks to better engine optimization and aerodynamic enhancements. While this is still a performance-oriented luxury sedan, Cadillac has made sure it remains practical enough for everyday use, offering a good balance between power and efficiency. What makes the 2026 Cadillac CT5 truly special is how well it balances tradition and innovation. In a time when many automakers are shifting entirely toward electric vehicles, the CT5 continues to offer a refined internal combustion experience while still embracing modern technologies. It's a car that respects its heritage while moving confidently into the future, and that's something many drivers will appreciate. In terms of pricing, the CT5 is expected to remain competitive within the luxury sedan segment, offering a wide range of features and performance options at a price point that undercuts some of its European rivals. This makes it an attractive choice for buyers who want a premium experience without going over budget. So, who is the 2026 Cadillac CT5 for? It's perfect for someone who wants a stylish and comfortable daily driver, but also enjoys a bit of performance when the road opens up. It's for those who appreciate luxury but don't want something overly flashy, and for drivers who value advanced technology that actually enhances the driving experience. As we wrap up, the 2026 Cadillac CT5 proves that the luxury sedan is far from dead. With its bold design, refined interior, strong performance options, and advanced technology, it continues to stand out in a market dominated by SUVs. Cadillac has taken everything that worked in the previous model and made it even better, creating a car that feels modern, capable, and truly enjoyable to drive. That's all for today's video on the car future. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2026 Cadillac CT5. Would you choose this over its competitors? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.